Hey everyone, thank you for watching another episode of CN Tech Pro. My name is Nicholas, as always, and today we're going to be looking at the Raspberry Pi and how to put PoE on it. So let's take a look. The first thing I want to point out is this is the POE hat. Comes with a little fan. And basically this provides lets you use PoE. So it only works on the new Raspberry Pi 4 and the 3. Basically, this is the 3B plus, or sorry, this is the 3B and this is the 3B plus. So it only works with the new 3B plus and the 4. So this guy isn't going to work. You're going to break it if you try to add the PoE module on here. Right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is put on these screw posts here. Put on these screw posts here. Alright. Alright, then it's actually a pretty simple thing. If you don't need to add any extra things for your GPIO, and you just want to run it with the PoE, it's literally this simple. You literally just put it together. See the guys line up there. Push it in. And you finish it off by putting in the screws. Alright, so let's go plug it in. Alright, so there's no other connectors. And it's on. Just with one cable. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel like you learned something, hit the like button and subscribe to see the next video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.